The number of COVID-19 cases in the country has risen up over 70,000, with fresh cases being reported across the country today. While India may not have been able to curb the number of COVID-19 cases, the recovery rate at least is constantly improving, according to the centre. Here is a report.
Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harshvardhan spoke about the rise in the number of COVID-19 cases in the country during his interaction with senior officials of various districts of Jammu and Kashmir. India continues to improve COVID-19 recovery rate. The cases have increased from over 67,000 on Monday to over 70,000 on Tuesday. The total recovery rate has improved to 31.70% from 31.15% on Monday.
इस समय हमारे भारत में आज सवेरे तक 70,756 केसेस कोविड पॉजिटिव आए हैं। इसमें से 22,455 हमारे कोविड के मरीज पूरी तरह से देश में ठीक होकर घर वापस चले गए हैं। ये हमारा रिकवरी रेट 31.7% है।
Dr. Harshvardhan said India's mortality rate was lowest in the world, which indicated that patients were being admitted to the hospitals at the right time and their situation did not turn critical in hospital.
हमारा मोर्टेलिटी रेट लगभग दुनिया में सबसे कम चल रहा है, तो आज के दिन भी वो 3.2% के करीब है। बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में तो इससे भी बहुत कम है, कुछ एक स्थानों पर इससे थोड़ा ज्यादा है, लेकिन एवरेज 3.2% है। दुनिया का आप जानते हैं कि 7 और 7.5% के बीच में ग्लोबल फैटेलिटी रेट है।
The doubling rate of COVID-19 cases, which is in how many days the total number of cases have doubled, has improved to 12.20% now from 3.4 days before lockdown.
पिछले 14 दिनों में हमारा डबलिंग रेट 10.9 था। पिछले 7 दिनों में ये लगभग 10.8 था, और अगर पिछले 3 दिनों का हम कैलकुलेट करें तो ये 12.2 के करीब है।
On the occasion of International Nurses Day today, the Union Health Minister appreciated the services rendered by the nurses for the society. Maharashtra accounts for the maximum number of COVID-19 cases with over 23,000 cases being reported, followed by Gujarat with over 8,500 cases and Tamil Nadu with about 8,000 cases. A Newsman report.